G'day folks, here we are today on a job. It's a modernised KONE job, which was modernised probably about, about 15 years ago. We're just going up the stairs here, leading up to the motor room, up these steel stairs. And along the way, we've just been advised here with a sign that hell is just 9 steps away. Well, I've actually counted the steps, and there's more than 9. We'll just count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like somebody didn't watch Romper Room or Play School in their younger days. We're just going to access the motor room. And that's it, we're in. And we have 3 machines. These are old belt-driven machines, express type. They've been around a long time. There's the motor over there, the sheave and the belts that drive that sheave over there, winding the gearbox through worm gear and crown wheel. Brake solenoid, of course. And looks like they go for a few spares here. Got some big whopping belts here, as you can see. They're huge. They're about, just in length, it's about, if I stretch it out, it's about a metre and a bit so. And just coming around here, I've attended a call here just a little while ago, and I'll explain what's happened. Just our KONE TMS 200 controller. It's just a very basic variable AC. It has what's called a TAC5 drive, the regulator cards to set up and tune the drive of the lift. Variable AC, meaning it just pumps a bit of DC into the drive to regulate and slow down. Got the diagnostic card here. Just do a bit of an LED check. There you go. It all lights up. It just tells you basically, your floor position, as it shows just there. You can place car calls on this little device here. And I'll just explain what's happened. I had this lift running and getting itself out of floor level. And what happened was, on the machine here, there is a tacho generator. Just a little DC motor that turns. You can watch that spinning on the sheave like that. And what is meant to happen is an output comes from this little machine, feeding back to our drive. And what had happened was a build-up of oil and grease coming from this area here, getting onto the side wall of the sheave and onto the flat surface of the sheave, causing the rubber tyre to slip, and therefore giving out false outputs from our tacho. And when this kind of thing happens, it can cause our lift to misregulate and therefore throw itself out of floor. A very simple thing that can happen. Just a bit of oil, but what I've managed to do is just wipe it up clean with some degreaser, and I've actually run the file over the surface of that rim to give it a nice dry surface. It's imperative that these surfaces are maintained, kept clean, oil-free, dust-free, and of course water-free. And being an old building, look at this, it's got some of these lime, I don't know if you can see them, stalagmites or icicles, a bit like a cave, and then it's been dripping on the floor in some areas and revealing some of the old original floor paint. But I like this gear. I think it's pretty good. KONE TMS 200. Very simple and a very reliable product. But provided that simple things like what I've shown you are kept in order. So there you have it, folks. Another special edition of elevator videoing.